Hello and welcome to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this heart shape within 2 minutes. So let's get started. I'm deleting this one. Choose rectangle tool and click anywhere on the artboard. And then make a rectangle of this size, which will width will be 4 inches and height will be 1.9 inches. Click OK to apply. And here we have created a rectangle. Hold down Shift key and put the mouse at top right side. When you see double arrows, then hold Shift key and click and drag at 45 degree. Go to edit, choose copy, edit and paste in front to make another copy at the same place. Again hold down Shift key, click and drag to drag the copy. Select all, choose direct selection tool and rounded the corners. Then choose shape builder tool, hold down Alt key and click on the unnecessary parts to delete, and then release the Alt key and move the move like this to combine the shapes. Okay, so you can see that we have created the heart shape within 2 minutes. So that was the tutorial how to create heart shape under 2 minutes in Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.